Hey folks on YouTube, in this series of videos, we are on a mission to build a chatbot with the current technology that we have and with the help of AI. So in these videos, what I want to show you, what I want to teach you is the experience, how a front-end developer or a developer overall builds a chatbot UI like this. So this is how we're going to build. We have two ways authentication. We can authenticate with Google. When we are authenticated with Google, we can see a chatbot UI some sort of the same way as ChatGPT. I guess you're reminded. All right. So you see that we have this beautiful sidebar, exactly like ChatGPT, and then we have got our search history. You can search anything like please, and you can see that it searches through them, and that's how it works. And then you can chat and ask anything from AI, and you can even log out. So these things will be what we are going to build in this video. All right. So for example, I'm going to ask, how can I set up Python, because I don't know about Python. So it says a Python project for machine learning. So let's ask this question. Now you see that the AI is thinking to generate us the result. Yeah, you can see that how beautifully our chatbot UI is working, and we can chat with AI exactly some sort of the same way as ChatGPT works. All right. Yeah, on top of these, we can go to like the old history, and we can go back to the new one. We can go to like another one that we have, like all these stuff. And also the project is fully mobile responsive, as you can see right here. It's fully mobile responsive, and we can search through this slider right now like this. So yeah, that's what we're going to be building in this video. And we are using Next.js, and then a library called Next UI for this, and Firebase for data and stuff for authentication. And then we are using Gemini API for generating AI results. All right, so that's for the demo. I will see you in the next video starting to build this application.